January 6th, 2021 vocabulary. Directions: place the X over the puzzle piece that is not a unit price. So remember, a unit price is going to have a denominator of 1, and price means we have money, so money on top. So the first one is $2 for 5 bananas. All right, next one, 16 cents for 1 ounce. Per ounce, for 1 ounce. Next one, $1.45 for 1 pound, so per pound is 1 pound. Next one, $3.05 per gallon, so 1 gallon. And then last but not least, $5 for 1 cup. Now, what does not belong here? Which of these has a denominator of not 1? So here's our 1, 1, 1, 1. 5. So we are going to draw that red X over this first one up here because it is not a unit price. Unit meaning we have a 1. And that's it for our vocab. Great job.